How to add backtracking in ClickUp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add backtracking in ClickUp. If you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management tool that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your tasks, all your details, and others. And in this video, we're gonna use ClickUp for backtracking. So first, you can open your ClickUp account and go to your dashboard. And on the left side, as you can see, I have some spaces. You can choose the space you want to add backtracking. Let's say I'm gonna add to team space here. And then you can click plus icon here to add templates. And then you can go to template. You can click on it. So basically we're gonna use template from ClickUp because it's easier for us. So we don't need to create it from scratch. And then on the left side, you can, check all of the type template you want to view and go ahead to the search box and then you can type bug tracking and then you will find some template. You can choose whatever you want. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one and then you can see this is the description and then there are some features. There are status groups, custom fields. As you can see, there are so many custom fields, and then also the view types. If you think this is good, you can just click use template here, and then you can name it. Let's say tracking, just like that, and then the space you want to create it. And then if you have data or something like that, you can just import it. And then you can just click use template here. After wait a few seconds, my template has been created. After wait a few seconds, so this is my template. And as you can see, there are some items you can modify it. If you click it, you can see the details of the items. You can change everything here, if you want to add something like something in this field or modify anything, you can just do it. And if you want to try another template, you can just repeat the process and then you can use another template. And I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.